A sky of mass 80 kilograms starts from rest at point A. The, the downslope is curved, but the upslope is inclined plane. The curved downslope is frictionless, but the inclined plane is rough. So, ukusuka ku-point A uyofika laphana ku-point C, bathi frictional force ayikho, but ukusuka ku-point C unyuke njalo njalo, the inclined, bathi ikhona i-frictional force. Okay. I-equation yethu esinayo, equation yethu esinayo ithi calculate the potential energy of the sky at point B. Sitholele i-potential energy esinayo lapha ku-point B. Potential energy lula u-EP is equal to mgh. I-mass ubani? U-80 times 9,8. I-height ubani at point B? U-20. So u-80 times 9,8 times 20. Okubani? Uku-15680 joules. That is the potential energy. So equation elandelayo ithi the sky experiences a frictional force of 100 newtons as he moves up the inclined plane. What is the greatest horizontal distance? D, from point C that the sky reaches. Okay. So bafuna the horizontal distance. Bafuna le. Siyazi ukuthi lo muntu lo uzonyuka nyuke, mhlawumbe uzophelela lapha. Shuthi i-final velocity yakhe izoba u-0 uma esenyuka wafika wama lapha. Sifuna ukuthola ukuthi-ke, yes, uzobe enyuka on an inclined plane, but horizontal uzobe ekhave ibanga elingakanani horizontal. So kusho ukuthi thina fanele sithole u-delta x. Masike sathola u-delta x, sizobe sesikwazi ukusebenzisa ama-trig ratios wethu. But before sithole u-delta x, khona kufanele simthole. Ngoba i-final velocity siyazi ekugcineni izofika usuke ngayiphi i-velocity at point C? Asazi. Siyayidinga le velocity i-object efike ngayo ku-point C. Kuzoba i-initial velocity yethu uma ngabe le box sesilibuka noma lo muntu lo sesimbuke suka ku-point C enyuka. Sifuna ukuthi ufika ngayiphi i-velocity lapha ku-point C. Kulula. Since besishilo ukuthi le section A, B, C is frictionless, ayinayo frictional force, singayithola ngale formula yethu ethi mechanical energy at point A is equal to the mechanical energy at point C. Ngapha sizoba no EK plus EP is equal to EK plus EP. Ngapha u-half mv squared plus mgh is equal to half mv squared plus mgh. I-mass u-80, starting from rest, initial velocity u-0. I-mass u-80 times 9,8. I-height at point A u-50 is equal to velocity, okay, this is 80 mass, velocity at point C, sifuna yona. Lo bafowethu i-height lapha at point C kuzoba u-0. La uzogcina u-0 bafowethu, sizofaka i-mass u-80 times 9,8 times 0 uzosinikeza u-0, angisenaso isikhala. So ngapha sisuka no-0 shaye la 80 times 9,8 times 50 sinikeza u-plus 39200. Ukhumbule njalo kufanele u-substitute. Njengoba nginga-substitute-anga nje kuleli side elingapha lo, ku-wrong lo. Kufanele ngi-substitute yonke into. At least isikhala ngizobunaso. 40 VC squared plus 0. Then 39200 40 VC squared. Divide by 40. Divide by 40. VC squared. Divide by 40. So 980. Square on both sides. Sifuna ukuthola ukuthi sifika ngayiphi i-velocity lapha ezansi. Sifika ngo-31,304 meters per second. So i-velocity esifika ngayo laphaya ngu-31,304 meters per second. Velocity yokufika. Le velocity esifike ngayo la iyona esizosuka ngayo mase senyuka. So ithi izoba i-initial velocity yethu mase silibuka lo muntu esuka ku-point C eya lapha yaphezulu la azofika eme khona. Bese thina sisolva u-delta x. Mase simtholile u-delta x using trig ratios singayithola u-d ukuthi uba. Ngesinye isikhathi bazobe sinikezile u-D bethi asisolve for i-angle. Sizosebenzisa i-method futhi efanayo le esiyisebenzisile. Uma sine-initial velocity, sine-final velocity. Okay. Ukhumbuleke enye into kufanele siyi-draw-e ukuze singalahleki. Ukuze singalahleki i-free body diagram ye-object uma ngabe sinyuka laphayana. Singakhohlwa ukuthi mangaka ama-force a-acta parallel to the. Okay, noma nje ngiyenze i-force diagram. Okay, so leya surface ine-frictional force. Enye into ekhona FG parallel. Ukhona FG parallel into ubheke phansi. So mabili ama-forces abheke phansi laphaya. As i-object inyuka yona iya phezulu, kodwa ama-forces abheke phansi futhi a-parallel to le surface mabili. So kufanele kusho ukuthi simthole FG parallel ukuthi ubani. FG parallel is equal to mg sine of theta. I-mass u-80 times 9,8 times sine of 30. Abantu bayamkhohlwa kunakhuzana. Bayamkhohlwa FG parallel. I don't know why. 80 times 9,8 times sine of 30 is about 392 newtons. Bese siza kwi-formula yethu. Work net is equal to change in EK. So we have the work done by FG parallel plus work done by FK. FK basinikezile bathe 100 newtons. Bese ngapha siba no half m VF squared minus VI squared. Ngapha sizoba no FG parallel delta x cos of theta plus FK delta x cos of theta is equal to half m VF squared minus VI squared. Unakhuzana sinayo lo no-392 delta x asinayo sifuna yena cos sobuka object yaphezulu FG parallel ubheke phansi, the angle between the direction of motion and the force in question 180 degrees. plus frictional force ngeziwe 100, delta x asinayo, so iyanyuka ishandisi sethu. I-frictional force yona bheke phansi, angly cos of 180 is equal to half mass ye-object u-80, final velocity 0 squared, initial velocity u-31,304 all squared. Athi nje ngishaye le part engapha, half times 80 times 31,04 squared. Ngapha sizoba no-minus 38,539,26. Ngapha sizoba no-negative 392 delta x, sibe no-negative 100 delta x. Khumbula cos of 180, that is negative 1. Labo bobabili bangama-like terms, delta x no delta x. So siya-add la, kuzoba u-negative 492 delta x is equal to, then we divide by negative 492 on both sides, negative 492 on both sides. Lo cancela loya, u-delta x uzolingana nobani? Negative 38,539, comma, 26 over 492 over 78,33 meters. So delta x esinaye sifuna u-d. So kathoa adjacent of hypotenuse, that is cos. So sesizothi cos umsebenzi uphela uhlukile. Cos of 30 is equal to adjacent, that is d, over hypotenuse, that is delta x. Shuthi kahle kahle u-d ulingana no-delta x, cos of 30, delta x wethu 78,33 cos of 30 u-d wethu uzolingana 67,84 meters.